Oops! Hello guys, let's do this cool effect. After adding my raw video to the timeline, with Razor tool I can cut my video. And now by holding Shift and right key, my playhead jumps next 5 frames. Add another cut here too. Here, by holding Alt key again and dragging a parted piece, I copy that for 5 times. Going to Effect panel and search for Invert. Drag this effect and put on second and fourth parts. Now by right click on second part, go to Speed Duration and tick the reverse, then OK. Again click on second part and go to Effect Control panel. Now set this bar on Hue. Now see the result. Thank you guys, like, share and subscribe for more. Bye bye.